The reason I applied for the Investment Accelerator program was because of what it was offering. It was offering a credible organization with an amazing track record, talented people, and the willingness to teach. The experience in the program has met and exceeded my expectation. I came here to learn, to develop myself as an investment professional. And not only have I done that, but I've had the privilege of being mentored and being taught by leaders in the industry. There are a lot of initiatives in this program that help to equip the future generation of investment professionals. We have workshops that teach us soft skills and also technical skills. Personally, I came here barely having the fundamentals of finance and accounting, but the program is designed that you find it easy to transition, to learn. And within a few months of being here, I'm confident in my work, and I don't think that I would have been able to achieve that elsewhere. I recognize the importance of learning continuously in this environment because the world is forever changing. And as the world evolves, investments also evolve. So we need to be in an environment where people are willing to teach, people are willing to learn constantly. And I felt that 91, the design of the Investment Accelerator program, would give me exactly that. What makes 91 stand out for me is the commitment to community impact. When we think about finance, we are thinking about generating earnings and making profits, and people don't always think about the social impact that the investment world has. What we do here is we allocate capital to exactly what the community needs. So what I would say to someone applying to this program is that brace yourself. Be ready to learn, be ready to be surrounded by intelligence. Here at 91, we have our core value, which is freedom to create. There is space to genuinely bring value and bring my expertise.